Hello, my dear students, and finally, நம்ம NEET 2026 Re-NEET 2026 ஓட date வந்து confirm ஆச்சு 21st June-க்கு தான் exam வர போறோம். So as we expected, it was happening on the third week of நம்ம what to say June month. So the thing is like we will be having hardly 35 days. So in the last 35 days what we are supposed to do, how to finish the syllabus, how to process this. Yeah, we already studied this, right? So the strategies வந்து கொஞ்சம் change ஆகணும். இல்லனா we will be doing the same sort of mistakes, the same kind of what to say awareness issues எல்லாமே இருக்கும். So அதனால தான் I'm just going to explain what we should do in this next 35 days. It is we know that in the NEET exam it is not just a simple exam. Okay, we know that last exam avlo easy ah irundhuchu, but definitely next time exam konjam kuda tough aadhukku chance irukku. Okay, so this is it is quite disappointing again we should go through all the process, again we should wait for something. Of course if we are getting more days to study, this is a happy news aanalum to going through the same pressure, it is different, correct? So right now you can do one thing, இது ஒரு second chance you can just consider. இது நமக்கு கிடைச்ச ஒரு golden opportunity. Many students we are all okay, almost 20 plus lakh students working for 1 lakh, around 1 lakh seat தான் நம்ம மெடிசினுக்கு இருக்கு. So இந்த 1 lakhக்கு தான் இவ்ளோ students were fighting, correct? So in the 1 lakh to come in this 1 lakh, it's not easy. So adanala definitely what we should do, we should prepare, or let's say we should boost our preparation. Last time we have to prepare very well. So ipo vandu paathena we can say that last time you have made a lot of mistakes. So in the vaati we are not going to do the mistakes even while you are preparing. Okay, so innela irundhu we are going to start the preparation. So appadina definitely okay, so inneki physics start pannalam. Okay, physics ku I'm going to spend 6 hours. So adukku even if we are saying almost 1 month or more than 1 month so then also this is going to be the hard reality that you should understand. Okay, in the what to say one chapter if you are spending 6 hours now we can't finish it properly. So try to understand one thing, finish all the chapters in less than 2 hours. So time management issues, not just in the exam, while your preparation time also you have to be very careful. And definitely OMR la kuda some students after the exam, many students came and told me like, ma'am in the madri mistakes panniyachu ma'am, question number different achu. So adu careful aayiko. Okay, and also ipo you can also do one thing, practice, you can start practicing this. Okay, so இப்போ if you are feeling like எனக்கு OMRல கொஞ்சம் கூட practice கிடைக்கணும், so அப்படினா while you are just once after your preparation, just take a question paper, do the marking in the OMR and just take okay அந்த panic situation control பண்ணனும், கரெக்ட்டா? அதுக்கு கூட இந்த வாட்டி you can just train yourself. ஏனா last time when you were just going to the exam hall, and the time you understood okay how what is a suffocating atmosphere it is, and you will be having shivering. And many students told me like, ma'am அந்த exam hall enter பண்ணும்போது I was shivering, எனக்கு இப்படிதான் feel ஆயிருச்சு. So definitely அந்த panic situation எல்லாமே we have to control. So இதுக்கு எல்லாமே training கூட we can just do in this time. And also aggressive revision you have to do. We have already done adile you have to make sure okay, so எனக்கு I have studied இப்போ 10-15 days ஆச்சு, so I need to make sure whatever I have studied அது அப்படியே இங்க இருக்கணும். So அது you have to make sure da. And also we are going to split the days. So first நம்ம first 15 days we will be going for what to say doing the concept revision. And the concept revision kuda you have to do some basic level questions. Okay, இப்போ I hope everybody is having the topic wise questions. Okay, topic wise questions. So once you have studied this topic, do practice some 5 questions from it, and another topic, practice some 5 questions. Don't take much time for the questions, because இப்போ கான்செப்ட் முடிச்சிருக்கேன், அதுல கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்றதுக்கு தான் we are doing this. ஓகேவா? and biologyல NCERT line by line you have to read, அது very very important and try to do questions also during this time. next நம்ம 16 to 28 days இந்த டைம்ல we need to boost our preparation. அதுக்கு major you have to do mock test alternative daysல இந்த till this date we didn't even have the clarity இன்னைக்கு இந்த exam. Right now we have a clear cut clarity. Okay, இந்த 21st க்கு தான் exam வர போறோம். So அந்த எக்ஸாமுக்கு முன்னாடி you should do multiple times நம்ம mock test you have to do. அந்த mock test முடிச்சேனா அந்த டைம்ல you should go through the answers. Okay, why I mean what is the reason why I couldn't do the answer, why I couldn't perform well in the exam, in the question, why it is getting wrong every time in the question I'm facing some trouble, what might be the reason. So understand the error and try to analyze and don't repeat it. That is the process we will be doing in the phase 2. Okay va. And also yes, concept revision ellame vandu mudichirukke. Again we have 20 plus days left, right? So again there is the possibility to forget everything. So adukkaga you can just make the precise notes, and on the precise notes vandu every day at least 30 minutes and everything you can just take. Especially when it comes to biology, do it, because in the vati biology la 360 out of 360 we can expect for many students. Yena they are going to get, even for the class 12th students illaya avangalku kuda they are getting extra days. So biology la oru high peak we are expecting this year in the Re-NEET exam ku vandu we are expecting this da. So marakama everyone should read NCERT, you should prepare well for the biology. adula vandu 350 plus vandu majority ana students ku kedikkiradhukku chances irukku. Okay va. And last days, okay, last nama 10 days 10 days illana let us say nama last few days vandu daily you should, okay, on the days illa you should go for exactly nama NEET exam conduct pandra adhe time illa try to do the mock test. Okay, and the time illa, and last 48 hours vandu avlo important da. Last 48 hours illa quick revision vandu neenga vandu you have to do it. Okay, quick revision na you have to do it da. adula vandu compromise illa. 48 hours illa quick revision necessary, concept revision. ஏனா அந்த டைம்ல we will be again just restoring everything. Okay, எல்லாமே சேஃபா இங்க இருக்கியா இல்லையா, சோ அதுல வந்து clarity கிடைக்கணும்ல. So everyone should do 48 hours illa what is a proper revision வந்து you guys have to do. So this is what the important, okay, this is what the important things that you should take care. And biology la you can just start with human physiology, and you can just go for 2 chapters every day revision. We won't be having much days, and first 15-20 days la you have to finish the revision for all the chapters. And also chemistry la vandu you can just prioritize inorganic first to gain instant confidence, then you can go for the physical. And physics la vandu you can just go for the easy killing chapters first, ஏனா வந்து confidence அது வந்து அவ்ளோ முக்கியம் லடா. So physics ila first vandu you can start with the easy chapters which you already completed. Okay, so now ipo vandu ungalke clarity irukku enakku vandu which chapter is easy. Like modern physics we can just score a good score, and mostly the questions vandu expected da, most of the questions vandu nammalaala solve panna mudiyum, so you can just go for it. And also try to do the NCERT example questions as well, which is also very very important. And also biology la as I mentioned 360 out of 360 கிடைக்கிறதுக்கு chances இருக்கு. And last time la assertion reason எல்லாமே வந்து it is very less number of questions came as assertion reason. ஆனா வந்து understand இந்த வாட்டி Re-NEET க்கு assertion reason கொஞ்சம் அதிகமா வரதுக்கு chance இருக்கு. ஏனா all teachers everybody was just talking about the level of the question paper. So biology la if you are just looking at the biology exam அதுல வந்து assertion reason வந்து கம்மி தான் இருந்துச்சு. So next year la you can expect more. So statement and matching questions, so இந்த வாட்டி matching questions க்கு தான் high what is a weightage இருந்துச்சு. Next time I'm not sure whether we will be getting this much of easy matching questions. Okay, and also try to create mind maps. இப்போ வந்து உங்ககிட்ட mind maps இருந்துச்சுனா அது வந்து you can just go through it during the last few days for the quick analysis, or else if you for the quick revision. Okay va. So these are the important things which I wanted to tell you. Next one, the physics and chemistry. So physics and chemistry la vandu NCERT la irundhu you can see many questions was directly coming from the NCERT. So idellame vandu first time da actually vandu இந்த மாதிரி direct copy paste questions edum varala, but definitely again for this upcoming exam also we can expect some kind of questions like that. So just go through the NCERT for physics and chemistry. Also do the previous year questions like at least last 5 to 10 years question paper avadu you have to solve before you're going for the exam. I know that I mean idukku munnadi kuda you have done it, but again you have to do it, because we are human beings, we are not robots, so we have to train ourselves. Okay, so that is what the thing, we need to refresh again and again. So that is the fact, and this is the 24 hours what we should do. So idhula vandu changes irukum, ena vandu many students will be wake up late, but they can stay what is it, 3 a.m. 4 a.m. till that they can stay. And also you can see that starting with biology, இப்போ வந்து you will feel like okay எனக்கு வந்து எனர்ஜி கிடைக்கணும் இந்த மொமெண்ட் இல்லை அப்படின்னா you can just go for biology. இல்லை எனக்கு வந்து calculation ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் அப்படின்னா you can start with physics, some numericals you can do. So again you can escape from sleep as well. That is a good thing to do at the early morning. And also I mean இங்க வந்து பார்த்தேன்னா you can see almost 2 to 3 hours we are spending for each and every subject. And ஒவ்வொரு டேயிலுமே you have to consider, you have to study each and every subject. ஏன்னா அந்த touch gone na, it is very difficult to come back. That is what many students still they are not accepting Re-NEET, still they cannot study properly. So please do one thing, everyone should stick with a proper timetable as per your convenience, as per your schedules and everything, and go for the classes. Okay, so thank you so much da, thank you so much. So nama Re-NEET oda preparations ellame vandu you can see nama channel la, it is going very high rate, I mean very high rate la idu vandu poite irukku. So மறக்காம everyone should watch the lectures. இப்போ வந்து நீங்க வந்து இந்த சேனல்ல நியூனா subscribe the channel. Also free Re-NEET 2026 crash course வேணும்னா நம்ம description boxல you can see a link, அந்த first link click பண்ணா போதும்டா, you will be getting into the app. adula vandu buy now option irukku நம்ம batch, and the buy now option click pannina you will be getting it for zero price. Okay, so you can access all our test series, all the lectures, all the replays, and also the 24/7 insta doubt solving. ஏன்னா நம்ம students வந்து struggling for this Re-NEET exam, so adanal we will be helping you with a lot of with what is it, நம்ம Re-NEET Tamil Nadu as a family you are holding here. So don't worry, we are with you. Thank you so much.